everyone. This is a demonstration of my workflow. My name is Arthur and I'm UX designer at Montevision. So basically we're starting with the user stories. Once those defined, we break down those into use case scenarios as you may see on the screen. So a login and sign up is the one case scenario. Upload an image is the other case scenario, and quickly find events I need. And this is something outside of this mockup, but see related items, scan view documents. So everything here is grouped into several main use cases, which are represented here as a wireframes and interaction between those. So starting with the first uh, first user story, it says that user want to be able to log in and sign up using Apple ID and Google account. So we are starting the application, see the splash screen with the logo perhaps, and have the opportunity to select between these two options. Then we have a third-party service, which is the authentication provider screen, and its UX is embedded in the our application. Then, if everything is okay and we've got approved, the account was accessed, we've got to the dashboard where we see everything which is in the app. The other use case scenario is add photo scan, and we imagine that we already have some content on our dashboard, but we need a slight element to take us to the respective functions, which is regular photo scan document, select from the gallery, and next we see that we need to have the access. If we want to scan document, we need to have the access to camera. If we want to take a regular photo, we also need to have access to the camera. And if we want to select the image from the media library, we also need to have the access to the device storage. So and these are the outlines of the use case with the image management, so to speak. Of course, this is the rough representation, but these screens evolved into more comprehensive user flows. And you may see here the wireframes have got a bit sharpened. So it's about I want to create a case and group records within the case. So this is the main screen. We switch to the cases. Then we create a case, naming it, selecting the status if it's active or resolved. Then we select records which we would like to be inherited in the case, and the list of records with a toast notification that a case was created. Then we have some settings which are quite generic, and we also have the UI text for making it technically correct. So we won't do just the design. We also do the system which have dependencies, interact with the users, and solves their problem and do the functions that it's supposed to do. The next stage of the application is the UI design, and you see there is a mass in interactions. But if we will turn off, we will see that there is a med node. Those screens evolved into more comprehensive UI, and it already has some style. branding, coloring, and so on. And those screens evolved into the more complex user flows and more screens because we evolved and we talked to the development team. So these screens got, they shaped and got a bit different. So here's the settings menu. Here's the family management. For instance, there is a dashboard and all the screens. The email and password login was added on the later stages after we confirmed the previous wireframe. So this is the use case of logging in, sign up, and we also have a email verification, onboarding, and so on. So basically, this is the most complex part in the UX design of the mobile applications because transferring people's thoughts, text into the user accessible or user friendly interfaces and workflows is a very tough task to do. Thank you for watching.